Today we're going to be going over our first use and setup of the E-Terra by Sodastream. Now this video is going to be pretty quick and simple, so if you're thinking of buying a soda machine, this one is a good one for a first-time user. Very simple, simplistic design, easy to use. It's going to be something where you, your kids, your whole family can use it. No problem at all. So let's go ahead, get into it. So if you get the bundle, which I will have a link in the description below if you decide you want to purchase one, it's going to have a little tear off plastic piece and then a cap on top. Once you take that off, it's going to look like this with the little brass fitting on top. And it's going to be as simple as this. So you're going to come to the back of your machine. You're going to open up this compartment. So you're going to see this back part. This back part has a little lever that goes up and down and it locks into place. You're going to have a little divot in the bottom. This is where your bottle of CO2 is going to go. And pretty much to set this up, you're just going to lift, take your bottle of CO2, put it in, push down, lock it into place. You're going to hear a little ding sound, and that's how you know it's ready to go. You're going to take this back piece, it has a little lip on it, put the lip in there, slap that big boy on, and you're good to go. So when you have it like this, you're also going to have your little electric cord. This model does need to be plugged in, so if you don't want a plug-in model, this one's not for you. And there's tons of others like the Sodastream Art, and I have many videos on that, so you can check it out if that's what you're looking for. So on the bottom here, the little area where we plug it in, put it in through the channels. It locks into place through the channels, and it comes out the back just like that. You're going to see some lights glowing up top, and there's a light down here. And sometimes this light here illuminates as well when you plug it in for the first time. So this is ready to go. You should have your bottle. This should be washed with warm soapy water. Shake it up. Take all the smell out. Take all the manufacturer taste out. And put some water in it. Make the water as cold as possible. You know, as close to 32 degrees as you can is the best, because the colder your water, the better it carbonates. So you're going to go up to the line that's specified on your bottle. This is the 1 liter bottle. If you have a half a liter, it's going to be a little smaller. Line's still going to be there, so bring your water up to there. This water here is probably about, 36, 37 degrees. I do put the water in the freezer for about an hour or two just to let it get nice and cold, and then I pour it straight into the bottle. I like my seltzer carbonated sparkling water really strong. You're going to take your water, you're going to put it up here as far as you can, and then you're going to push back. It should lock it in place. And then on the top part here, you have 3 buttons. From right to left, it's less carbonation, medium carbonation, and then of course my favorite mode, which is the most carbonation you can have. With this model, you do not put flavoring or syrup in it at all. You just have to do water, and then you put your syrup and flavoring in later. So press the heavy amount of CO2 button. It does illuminate with lights as well. So you might hear that hissing sound, and if you can't, there's a hissing sound, and that's just the decompression of the air. Just wait for that to go by, and you're done. You got CO2. You got some sparkling water, some carbonated water, some seltzer water, whatever you want to call it. It's ready to go. All you do, push back, listen to those bubbles rise, and then take a nice sip. That's good. That's ready to go. I'm going to put some flavoring in it. Soda Press Co. Raspberry Mint. It's my favorite. With these syrups, you got to shake it up a little bit. Most flavors and syrups you're going to have to shake up, though. And I have a little measuring cup. I like to put 7 tablespoons in. Nice and easy. Go nice and slow because this stuff will fizz up on you. There we go. That's 4. I like to do 3 more. Full strength is 8. Voila. You have a nice cold beverage. Now sometimes I'll drink these just straight seltzer, but other times I like to flavor them. Nice and carbonated. Ready to go? So anyways guys, that's it for this video. I'll do some more videos on this later. Maybe do some new recipes that I do have and I just haven't done the videos yet. Link in the description below. Really help me out. And then if you really want to help me out, make sure you like, subscribe, comment. We're trying to get to 1,000 this year. It's looking pretty decent, but I'm not sure if we're actually going to make it. But that is a goal of mine, 1,000 subs. So let's get it. And as always, fizz on, enjoy your drinks, and I'll see you next time. So take it easy, and bye-bye now.